Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am showing you an amazing new app setup that lets you watch brand new movies and TV shows completely free. No subscription, no hidden fees, just pure entertainment on your Firestick. Plus, I have a quick step-by-step installation guide coming up that takes just a few minutes. You are watching TechVibes. If you want to keep these apps running smoothly without any annoying buffering, make sure to use NordVPN on your device. Check out the installation link right down in the description and top pinned comment. So, why are you still getting hit with massive monthly bills just to watch a movie? It usually comes down to data throttling from your internet provider or heavy memory clutter on the default system networks. Let us fix that right now and turn your device into a free streaming beast. Step 1. Clear out your device storage clutter to open up space. Go to your settings menu on the home screen. Click on Applications, select Manage Installed Applications. Scroll down through your apps and click Clear Cache on each one. This removes temporary data blocks instantly. It makes your entire user interface feel super snappy. Step 2. Force stop background data hogs. Go back into your settings menu. Click on Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Look for any application that runs constantly in the background. Click on it and choose Force Stop. This frees up your system RAM immediately. It keeps your device running at peak performance. Step 3. Download the Tubi TV application right now. Check this out. It is a total game changer for free live channels and top-tier movies. Go to the Find section on your home screen, search for Tubi, click Download. Once it installs, open the app. You do not even need an account to start streaming premium entertainment completely legal. Step 4. Set up Plex for a premium movie layout. This one is a no-brainer for cord cutters. Search for Plex in the search bar of your device. Download and launch the application. Skip the login option if you want. Navigate straight to the free movies and live TV section on the left sidebar to access thousands of titles instantly. Step 5. Configure your advanced network connection settings to stop provider throttling. Go back to your main settings. Click on Network. Hover over your current connection and click Forget Network. Reconnect to your router, but choose the advanced option this time. Manually set your primary DNS to DNS 8.8.8.8. Set your secondary DNS to DNS 8.8.4.4. This routes your traffic directly through the Google public servers. Step 6. Configure your audio and hardware settings for maximum speed. Go to Settings. Click on Display and Sounds. Set your resolution to auto-match original frame rate. If you use a streaming soundbar or external audio receiver, make sure your data cable is plugged into a port labeled HDMI 2.1. For wireless internet setups, always connect your device to the 5 GHz wireless network instead of the older 2.4 GHz band to maximize your download capacity. Step 7. Install the Freevee application. This is a massive hidden gem for premium movies and original shows. Search your app store for Freevee. Hit download, open the app and log in with a standard free Amazon account. You get massive blockbusters and high-quality shows with zero subscription fees. Step 8. Get Pluto TV for live streaming entertainment. Open your app store. Search for Pluto TV. Click Install. Launch the app and you will instantly get a cable-like guide with hundreds of live channels. It is super snappy and entirely free. Step 9. Set up the Roku Channel app on your device. You do not need any special hardware for this. Search for the Roku channel in the store, download it, open it up. Enjoy thousands of free on-demand titles and live news streams instantly. Step 10. Manage your app notifications to save processor power. Go to Settings. Click on Notifications, select App Notifications. Turn off notifications for all individual apps. This prevents background processes from interrupting your movies. It keeps your device processing power focused entirely on your video quality. Step 11. Turn off automatic updates during peak viewing hours. Go to Settings. Click on Applications, select App Store, turn off automatic updates. This ensures your download speeds do not drop while you are watching a movie. You can update your apps manually when you are not using the device. Step 12. Adjust your display depth settings. Go to Settings, click on Display and Sounds. Select Display, change the color depth to the optimal setting for your television. This reduces video rendering strain on your device processor. It prevents random frame drops during fast action scenes. Step 13. Reset your internet router configuration. Unplug your router for 30 seconds. Plug it back in to clear the internal routing tables. This refreshes your entire home connection. It gives your device a fresh digital path for smoother data transmission. Step 14. Turn off unused device connections on your home network. Disconnect old phones or tablets from your router. This frees up local bandwidth for your main streaming device. It ensures your wireless router prioritizes your movie streams. Step 15. Check your power supply connection. Make sure your device is plugged directly into a wall outlet using the original power adapter. Do not power it through a television USB port. Wall power provides a stable voltage supply. It prevents unexpected device restarts and system lag. Here is a quick pro tip to keep your new setup running at maximum speed. Go into your Preferences menu. Click on Privacy Settings. Turn off device usage data and turn off Collect app usage data. Go to Data Monitoring and turn it off completely. This stops background tracking scripts from running. It saves your internal processor power for perfect video playback. Drop a comment below if you face any difficulty during the setup. I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. If this video saved you some cash, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechVibes. You can absolutely turn your streaming device into a free powerhouse today. See you in the next one.